Good morning, students of class 9th and 10th. Today we will discuss how to attempt narration in the question paper. Now you can see there are some examples. A conversation is given and below that a paragraph is written. You have to fill the paragraph. See first sentence. Read the following conversation and complete the paragraph. Asha, let us go to the canteen. Lata, no, I can't. I am to go back to my house. Asha, is there any problem? Lata, father is ill. Then you must be with him. Now, first of all, when it comes in the paper, you should understand that these are the exercises of the narration. First, Asha suggested to Lata. First of all, see what type of sentence it is. As let us go to the canteen. This is imperative sentence. Apply the rule of the imperative sentence. Asha suggested to Lata that लगाया us का they should go to the canteen. Next is Lata, no, I cannot. Lata said that she could not as I am she. She was to go back to Maika, her house. Next, Lata replied, is there any problem? Interrogative sentence, if there was any problem. Lata replied that her father was ill. Asha said that in that case, she must be with him. Now see next. I want to meet your brother Sumit. He is out of station. When will he come back? He will come back on his Sunday. Give him this packet then. Nitin said that he wanted to meet his brother. Your brother? Sumit's brother. Sumit replied that he was out of the station. Nitin asked him why she. Nitin asked him when he would come back. Nitin asked him when he would come back. Nitin requested him to give him this packet, that packet then. Next is Aman. Where do you live? Suman. I live in Ajanta Nagar, but why do you ask? Aman. I may come to see you sometime. Suman. Please don't come to my residence. Aman asked Suman. Interrogative sentence, where she lived. Suman said that Livka lived in Ajanta Nagar, but asked why she asked, wanted to know. Suman requested that she might come to see her sometime. Aman said she might come to see her sometime. Suman requested not to come. Suman requested not to come to her residence. In this way, you can attempt these questions. Thank you, students.